Hi, welcome back to another video. I don't even know why I'm saying welcome back to another video. But yes, we're doing task 10.10 in the grade 11 new era accounting textbook. So let's start, guys. Let's read what it says. Required 10.10.1. Compile a debtors collection schedule for Sensation Outfitters for the period of 1 April to 30 June 20.9. Calculate the total outstanding debtors on 30 June 20.9. Yes. So now we're going to start with February, but we're budgeting for April, May, and June. So the policy here states that 30% in the same month, 55% in the second 1 month after 30 days, and then 13% after 60 days, and 2% is treated as irrecoverable. So which ones are in our budgeting period? February is not there, March is not there, April and May are there. So we're going to start with calculating the 13% for April, 2% for May. So let's come here, February, going to write February here, and then calculations. The credit sales for February were 43,000, so we want 13 over 100 times 43,000. $5,090, and then I'm going to take the 5,000 and write and record it right here. Now we want the 2% that is treated as irrecoverable. 2 over 100 times 43,860. This comes right here because it's bad that they say it's treated as irrecoverable. We're moving on to March. We're coming back here. March, April, May, June. So which ones are in our budgeting period? It's April, May, and June. This one is not there. So we're not calculating for March. We're calculating April, May, and June. So April, as you can see, it's 55%. So we're coming here, 55 over 100 times the 51,000 that is in our total credit sales for March. 55 over 100 times 51,000, 28,050. This is where we record the 28,050. Now we're going to calculate the 13%. Over 100 times the 51,000, 6,680. This is where we'll record the 6,680. Then we calculate the 2% times 2 over 100 times the 51. 1,020. This is where we'll record the 1,020 because it's bad debts. So now let's move on to April. So guys, if you have any questions regarding what I've done so far, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try by all means to cover the questions that you guys are asking. So we're moving on to April. So April, May, June, July. So we're going to ask yourself the question, which months are in our budgeting? It's April, May, and June. This one is not there, so we don't calculate for July. So let's move on. This is an easier method, guys. I know your teachers don't actually use this format, but this is the easier way of understanding it. Whatever format that comes in your exam, you'll probably understand it because it's almost the same thing. All right, let's continue. So for April, you see, April, it's 30%. So you see April and April, it's the same month. So there's no discount allowed. So that's why I don't have a column that says discount. So we'll calculate 80 over 100 times the 54,000. That's in our projected sales. $16,200. This is where we'll record it. Then the 55%. $29,700. Then the 13% for June. 13 over 100 times 54,000. So 020 is the 720 for here for June. As I said, you see, guys, this thing is actually easy. Let's continue to May. We're coming here, May, June, July, August. So how many months are in our budget? 2. These ones are not there, so we're calculating the 30 and the 55% only in May. So 30 over 100 times the projected sales of 75,000. It's 20. See, May and May, it should come under the same column. May and May. Don't actually make the mistake of doing this. So now we're calculating the 55% that will be collected in June. June, 55 over 100 times the 75,000 is equals to 55 over 100 times 75,000, 41,250. This is the amount that will be collected in June. Okay, since we are done for June, we're moving on to June now. June, we're coming back here. June, July, August, September. So we only have 1 month, which is June. These ones we don't calculate. So now June, for June, we have 30 over 100 times the projected sales of 75,000. It's 22,000. No, it's 90. 30 over 100 times the 90%, the 90,000 of the projected sales. 30 over 100 times the 90 of the projected, which is equals to 27,000. Put the 27,000 under June and June, where they meet. Now, what is this amount? 41,250. It's this one and this one, guys. So I was just correcting. So yeah, we're actually done with this. So now, let's go on and calculate the totals. For April, we have 55 plus 28,000 plus 16,200, which is equals to 49,840. Then for May, 6630 plus 29,700 plus 22,500 plus 27, 85,830. So we are done, guys. These are the amounts that will be collected in April, May, and June. These amounts are going to our cash budget under collection for debtors. These are our receipts under collection from debtors. Thank you, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can actually grow the channel and actually kill this thing called accounting. Thank you, guys.